Updating your payment information on DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Payment Method or Payment. Tap on it to view your current payment information. Step 4. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button and tap it to confirm your updates. Once you have completed these steps, your payment information will be updated on DoorDash. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance.